got you through the struggle, or I got you through the grind. It's on the rise, the restore, and I can feel it. It's slowly coming back to the core of good music. Back when legends was spitting, the shit was different. It wasn't debates, if the bars was actually written. I'ma be creative, super innovative. I promise when I make it, I will never leave the basics. Hip-hop, it started on some conscious shit, acknowledge it. Instead of getting caught up in these politics, makes you wanna question where a lot of people's knowledge is. I guess it makes sense because we ain't promoting colleges. This is the generation that barely knows what homage is. Fighting flows and rhymes, man, they on some straight garbage. Yeah, originality is key and I won't be a part of it. Not much real left in the game. Short yada shit, been known to kill the game. That's why I had a scholarship. Been lethal with the words out of this world on some carnage shit. It's levels to the game. Keep your mode on default, never change in any settings. They grounded like asphalt. People selling out for riches just to get an applause instead of standing for something different, critical cost. I'ma talk about the shit that people choose to ignore, cause these people just flexing, they ain't even trying to rap no more. You can never leave behind what got you through the struggle, or what got you through the grind. It's on the rise, the restore, and I can feel it. It's slowly coming back to the core of good